Eternal Father, bless our land. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Before we go into Simon, before we take any questions, I'd just like to say before the Nations League, there were many doubters, many persons questioning my coaching ability. But we came third in the Nations League. And now I'd like to know, we are the doubters. We are the speculators. It's been very quiet, you know. But I'd like to say that no matter how much you talk about me or what you say, we not go nowhere. Over here, coach. So what are you expecting from this match? Well, our expectation is to win. We expect to win. But of course, we are the Reggae boys. So we will make it hard on ourselves, you know. We cannot allow our fans to come from so far to support us and not get their money's worth of cussing. So we will win, but also you will cuss. Keep us free from evil. I see the injury report here, right? But I have specifics for everyone. But for this one, I have nothing. What should I put? Oh, pregnancy. Pregnancy? Pregnancy. Coach, you can't write that, coach. Well, his lady is pregnant, so what should I do? Yeah, but you can't write that. Injured. All right, well, that makes sense. So obviously the elephant in the room is a non-inclusion of one of our best players, coach. Do you have anything to say about that? Well, let me say that I took up my phone and I called the baller and I cried like a baby and begged him to come back. But the baller said that he wants to live life and party on a yacht. So what am I supposed to do with that? I just think it's time for us to move on and focus on football and stop chat. Justice. Shoot me. Where did you get this jersey? This is obviously not our jersey. Turn around. It says Shaw on the back. This is obviously a female jersey. But at least them give me coach. Oh my God, Leon. Leon was right all this time. Where can we put Nana? CDM? No. Centre back? No. Striker. So why have it excellent to put out the squad list, Ella? And why do you always come here with the same rotten teeth? Oh, what kind of question that? Exactly, stop asking irrelevant questions. So coach, about Mason Green. Hey. I think sometimes you guys just chat too much. Jamaica, boom! Boza, come here. You're having fun, eh? Yes, you are having fun and you are dancing and gallivanting and marketing. Yeah? Well, don't dance around my goal, okay? I'm going to need about 6 goals from you. Coach, do you have any word for the fans? Well, I'd like to say to the fans, don't stay home. As the youths in the streets say, stay home can't skate on the toe, you know? So come and support the team, you know? Why stay home? Let we love.